Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn any of your photo into a 360 degree spin animation using an app called DreamFace. And yes, it's super easy, completely free, and works right on your phone. Okay, if you have ever wanted your picture to look alive and rotating smoothly in 3D, this tutorial is for you. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your DreamFace. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it. And then next, just sign in with your Google account. And then don't worry, DreamFace will give you a free weekly credit, so you can use its premium feature like the 360 degrees animations without paying anything. Next, after you log in, let's go to the main. You will taken to the main page like this, and then go to Magic Effect, and then just scroll to the effect until you find 360 degrees spin animations. This one, just tap on it. This is the effect that makes your photo spin all the way around like a 3D model. Next, just tap on plus button to select your photo. Just pick the photo that you want to animate. It can be a selfie or a portrait or even a photo of an object. Just make sure the face or object is clear and valid for the best result. And then after that, just tap on confirm. And when you're done, just tap on create. In just a few moments, you will see your photo beautifully spinning in 360 degrees like a moving sculpture versions of your image. Pretty cool, right? And then next you can save the video and then just share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. You just made a 360 degree spin animation from a simple photo, and it's all using the free DreamFace app. Okay, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.